Hi friends, how are you all? As you know, I am Uday Kumar. Welcome to Knowledge and Training channel. Like this video. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share to your friends, guys. Recently I posted one video about Jairaj Gedala. Please definitely vote him and share to your family groups and friends groups. Like so many social medias are available nowadays, like FB, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp. Please share in everything and definitely vote. Recently I got so many comments in that my friends who has asked about Boat Rockers Bluetooth headphones. I told him definitely I will do within a short period. Definitely I will try my level best, guys. Like this, I need your support for doing better product unboxings as well as knowledge and trending topics. Let's start the video. Today I am going to unbox the Boat Rockers 510 on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones. This is the way of looking Boat Rockers 510 on-ear wireless Bluetooth headphones, guys. One side they written both their branding, and back side they given some specifications about this Bluetooth headphones. Now I will open and I will show you guys what all the contents they are providing inside. See how they packed inside. Really it is nice. This is the Boat Rockers wireless Bluetooth headphones. First look is very premium. The way of styling is very nice, guys. And I will keep one side. And they are providing one user manual about this Boat Rockers Bluetooth headphones. How to use. The people who doesn't know how to use this Boat Rockers headphones, for them it is very useful. See here they written clearly. I think you can observe each and everything they explained clearly in this user manual. And inside they are providing wow, they are providing aux cable also, and one micro USB cable. I will show you. See guys, they are providing one micro USB cable to charge this Bluetooth headphones, and they are providing one aux cable. I think it is an interesting point, guys, because whenever there is no charge in your headphones, you can directly connect to your mobile to this headphones. Like that option also available in these headphones by using this aux cable. And still anything they are providing inside. Just one visiting card type they are providing. That's all. Here they given some links, their mails, Twitter IDs, Instagram ID, FB ID, their website. This is the way of looking Boat Rockers Bluetooth headphones, guys. Here they clearly mentioned their branding Boat, and both of the sides they mentioned left and right markings. I think you can clearly observe. This is the logo, and here they given some buttons: plus, minus, previous, next. If you click this plus button, automatically it will increase the volume. If you click minus button, to reduce the volume. This is previous button, this is next button. When you click this previous button, it automatically switches to previous song. If you are clicking this button, it will goes to next song. And here they are providing USB port to charge this Bluetooth headphone. I will show you guys. This is the USB port. Simply you can connect like this. I think yes, that's it, guys. And here they are providing one on and off button. It is used for multi purposes, dialing purpose, or else if you are getting any call, you can answer by using this button, or else you can hang up the call, or else you can play, pause. For everything you want to use this power button. And here they are providing one more port also, I think, for the aux cable. Now here they provided for that line in port. By using this port, you can connect to your mobile to this Bluetooth headphone. See, from here too you can connect to your mobile easily. This is an interesting point, guys. Whenever you don't have a charge in these Bluetooth headphones, you can easily connect to your mobile and you can listen the music. In this, they are providing, if it is not sufficient to you, you can extend both the sides. After extending, this is the way how it looks. And here they are providing soft ear cups also for extended purpose. See, it is very soft. And here also they are providing, when you are wearing these headphones, I think you will feel very comfort. Especially for me, it is very nice. I love this product. And in this, so many functions are available. I will show you guys in this video. By using this power button, you can on these headphones. You did long press, automatically it will turn on. See, here it is showing. Now it is going to pair to your device. If you want to turn off this device, again long press. See, it is going to turn off. Right side they clearly mentioned their branding and their model number, Rockers 510. After wearing this both Bluetooth headphones, this is the way how it looks. I think it is perfectly sitting on your ears. I think you can clearly observe. This is very nice, guys. Especially the bass is very nice and treble vocals, everything is nice in this perfectly. Because first of all, the boat in the sense, all people will think about bass. In this, no need to worry. The bass is very nice, perfectly playing. In this, they used polylithium battery, and it will take around 2 hours to charge these headphones. And in this, they are providing 400 mAh, come around 9.5 hours. No problem for you guys, especially while you are traveling. It is very comfort, and because they are providing this ear cups, it is very soft. No need to worry. Here also they are providing one head support. It is very nice. It is perfectly sitting. See, it won't fall down. I think you can clearly observe. It is very nice. It is compatible with Android, iOS, or else if you are using computers, it will support for Windows also, and tablets, anything. It supports Bluetooth 4.1. In this, they are providing microphone with volume control. According to your wish, you can control your volume. And I ordered these headphones in Amazon. It is available in Flipkart also. At the time, the price is around 2000 rupees. I think nowadays they reduced the price around 1500 rupees. The price is 1499 rupees. You can buy in Amazon. I am providing link in description. If you want to buy this Boat Rockers Bluetooth headset, please by using that link you can buy, and it is useful for our channel also. Today my quote is, no one can tell by seeing what is you, for suppose it will happen. After that, no one can do anything in their life. That's it, guys, about this video. Bye. See you in next time. Good night and sweet dreams to all. Always keep smile and be happy.